Freshsales CRM tutorial how to use Freshworks. Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we use Freshsales CRM. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow these steps I do to not make any mistakes. So as you know, Freshworks is a company which provides us a lot of different software like Freshservice, Freshdesk, Freshmarket, Freshchat and Freshsales. In this video we are going to speak about their CRM system which is called Freshsales. It provides us the opportunity to track all of our deals. So to get started, we need to visit the freshworks.com and here in the products area, choose the Freshsales. After that, we'll come to this page, which is like about only Freshsales. And here we need to click on sign up to get started with our Salesforce automation. So just click on it here and we can continue with Gmail or just sign up with Google. So I'll just continue with my Gmail account. To get started, all I need is just to prove it right up here. So sign up for free. Yes, let it be like me. Let's create a new account from scratch to show you all the process step by step. So thank you for your sign up. Now we need to wait for a little, they're trying to create it. So here, what would you like to start? Premium trial or free CRM? So we can choose anything we need. I'd like to choose premium trial here. So I suggest you to use this option because you can just, try all the functions here. So which is your industry are you in? Choose the suitable one. For us, let it be e-commerce. Get started. The next page is right up here. So this is our workspace. Contact your Google Apps to CRM. So here we can choose what would we like to contact. I will not contact them, so I'll do it later basically. So now we are on our work page. As you can see in the top of the screen, we have search option, search your CRM. So here we can try to find some deals, contacts, leads, and so on. Here we can find all information about our trial or our paid plans. Of course, I have paid plans. In the right side, we have options to add something, add contact, add account, add deal, add product, add quote, add tasks, meetings, and so on. So this option is really helpful because we don't have to visit any of these features. So what's new? Some notifications. We can send email and also receive some notification. In the right top corner, we have our account page. So here we can change some settings, add some email templates, connect some email, or do basically some other stuff. Also, they have their own mobile application. So sometimes it could be really helpful to have it on your phone. In the left side menu, we have our main menu here, basically dashboards area with all of our analytics here about pipeline, trend, leads, opportunities, forecast, and so on. Basically, it looks pretty good, but what's the bad idea is that we cannot, customize our workspace here. Basically, if it is, maybe, but not at all. You can go to analytics also, and here we can just click on let's get started and find all the analytics here, all the reports basically. So it makes the work with this CRM much easier. Also activity dashboards here. We have contacts and accounts area where we can deal with our contacts. What can we do here? Basically, we can create workflow, add deal, import contacts, send some emails, or visit help center. This is our spreadsheet with our contacts. As you can see, there is some of them. So we have the information about them emails, work, next activity, and so on. We have the opportunity to add contact by clicking on right up here. And after that, we need to fill all the information first name, last name, and basically all the data we know about this guy. We need to import it right up here. So we can also in the bottom of the screen, we can customize fields. We can check for duplicates and save. Yeah, after everything will be done and we can just, find it right up here. So we can group our contacts. We can bulk action, or we can choose field you want to like see in the table, so we can just maybe delete some of them or just add some of them. Also, there is an option to like filter, so we can filter something by something, maybe by emails, by next activity, and so on. Sometimes it could be really helpful. Also, there is like some integration. We can connect your CRM apps to like Google, Calendar, Zipper, and so on. We can also import them here, so there is like a lot of options. We also have like accounts area here, and the navigation is quite the same. So we can add an account. We can also like change the view, like from table to Kanban. We can sort them. We can customize our cards. So the navigation is quite the same basically. Also, the next like folder is about deal management. So here we have like deals area, which is like really important here. This is in a Kanban view, so we can just like customize it. As you can see, we have like new, follow up, on the review, demo, or negotiation like areas here. So we can add it or do some other stuff. If you click on it right up here on this settings icon, we can see like set your default pipeline, manage pipelines, customize deal card, set stage by summary value, set stage probability, set routing age, or import deals or import history. So there are a lot of opportunities here we can do. Also, we can like add deal, customize deal card, add quote, create workflow, or watch deals in action. So this is a way of how can we deal with any single like deal. If we'll click on any single card here, or in contacts area, or in like accounts area, we can find all the suitable information about the correct object we are going to review. So all the information is right up here, like products, notes, tasks, meetings, files, all detached to like this deal or this contact, where will we choose it. So the same way we have like quotas and forecasting. Products is right up here on this area, so we can just add the product. So we can click on add product, we can import product, we can import history, just the same like options. We can filter, we can like add some settings, we can change some pricing settings, customize product fields, and some other stuff. Also, we can like filter them by categories and so on. So the fourth one is like sales conversation. Here we have like sales inbox, activity goals, email templates, bulk email, phone, SMS, or voice drop. So this is a way of how can we deal with our team to not like have any gaps or some other stuff. And also like automations, we have like sales sequences, workflow, auto assignment rules. So here we can add something to automate our work. So we can create like some sequences or do some other stuff. In order to do this, we need just to click on create sales sequence, and then just add like who can enter your sequence, what is your sequence type, what steps do you want to Freshsales to execute, and so on. So this is a pretty cool option to automate our like job. And also the last one is like about settings. So we have like admin settings, manage users, we can manage contact lifecycle, manage sales activity, manage left now bar, and so on. Basically, there are a lot of options to manage something. If we'll speak about plans, we can see that they have like free trial of everything, but the service is like about costing. So we can click on manage plans, we can click on buy plans, and here we can find the differences. Like we have like enterprise like $69 a month, or like a pro $39, and growth like 15. So basically, if you come to this page, you can find all the differences between these plans. For example, there is like option for offline events only for pro and enterprise, like custom sales activities only for pro and enterprise too. So if you are new, you can just start from free trial, and then you can decide what is the best option as for you to start with, Grow, Pro or Enterprise plan. Basically, what fits more, that's what you need to buy. So this is a way of how can we deal with Freshsales, how this video helped you out. If it is, please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.